The course provides a strong academic and practical foundation in animal therapy with a clear focus on canine and equine rehabilitation. From the outset, students develop key skills in handling, anatomy, movement assessment before progressing into more advanced areas such as biomechanics, manual therapy, hydrotherapy and rehabilitation planning. Our key strengths at ARU Writtle is how theory and practice are integrated together. Students don't just learn what to do, they understand why they are doing these skills. This course is ideal for anyone who is passionate about working with animals, particularly those interested in rehabilitation, performance and welfare. We welcome students with a background in animal care and equine studies, as well as those who are highly motivated and keen to develop hands-on clinical skills. What makes this course stand out is our ability to bring theory to life through specialist facilities and our real clinical environments, such as the Canine Hydrotherapy Suite, the treadmill rooms here on the Canine Centre and the Equine Centre. Due to courses under recent revalidations, our professional bodies are pending accreditation of AHPR. This is so important for our students to ensure that they uphold the industry standards.
So what first attracted me has always been a very animal lover kind of person. I actually originally was going down a different route and then I went to a careers event and I never realised that you could combine kind of your love for something with studies. I was very passionate about not just doing something for the sake of it, I wanted to be passionate about what I was doing, and then I saw the course and I thought it combined both of those things very well.
During your course, you'll learn from highly experienced multidisciplinary teaching teams. Veterinary surgeons lead subjects such as anatomy, physiology and biomechanics, while qualified veterinary physiotherapists with extensive experience in hydrotherapy and rehabilitation. Teaching is built around real-life case studies, hands-on practical sessions and clinical scenarios, helping students develop strong communication skills, clinical reasoning and building their confidence. Some of the potential career paths for our graduates are working in veterinary and referral practices. You can support and work in hydrotherapy centres. You might want to work with performance animals by enhancing strength and condition. So how about it? From myself, the lecturing team and the animals here, we hope to see you soon.